guys along to campus with me because somebody actually requested this video like 2 years ago and I never did it. So yeah, I'm gonna do that today. It is February 26th. Yes, I'm listening to Under the Sea from The Little Mermaid. Also, it's really hard to film this way with this camera because there's like a strap so that I can hold the camera, so now I'm like holding it backwards. Anyway, I still have some of my Christmas stuff up, and I will show you the exhibits. Exhibit A. I have a reindeer over there. Exhibit B. My Christmas tree was put away, but I decided to make a fort the other day, so I got put back out. And then this. The lights stay up the whole time. However, I just bought this, like, window, or not window, like a wall cling. I think, like, it would probably fit right here perfectly, but I think I'm going to put it over here. Like a springy one. Oh, yeah. I still have the Christmas garland up. I'm going to put probably my, like, light papery garland back up over here, until I get something a little better, like summery. And then back here, I don't have anything. I just have my hooks up. Oh, it's my arm. But it's just an empty wall, so I'm gonna probably get a tapestry for the hooks. So yeah, that's where we're at over here. It's a really old church that Hamilton used to go to, so it's that old, like Alexander Hamilton, and his house is over there. Walk away. There.
Welcome to Audrey's vlog. Dangerous and fast. I don't know. I was trying to give it a name. It's a good name. Dangerous now.
That because I live dangerously.
We'll come up with a name. We'll find one for you. It'll be great.
All right.
I have to brainstorm.
See the world through Jean's eyes.
It's like a walk in the mud. Is that Constance?
Thank you.
So we're here live. Tim Ellsbury. Tim, come over. Oh, okay. How are you feeling today, Tim?
I'm good.
Come on, talk to the camera. How are you feeling today, kid, Tim?
I'm good. You know, I'm good.
Welcome to the new vlog. It's called Dangerous and Fast.
It's not cool. Why would it be dangerous and fast?
It's dangerous and fast.
Welcome back to the vlog.
Which version of Fast and Furious?
With no cars. What are we doing?
I don't know. I have to use the bathroom.
Nice.
You can edit that out, right? Yeah, you'll edit that out.
I mean, is that the dangerous part?
That is the dangerous part.
I'm just talking to myself.
Just following Jean around.
What's up, dude? Hi, brother. Cool.
Why do you keep looking back?
That's my immortal enemy. He's my enemy forever. Hi, Rafa. So if I ever go missing, it was him.
Okay.
This is my
Yes.
Marissa. She's the best. She's an angel.
I
Sweet
agree.
woman. Oh.
She's great.
She's also my spiritual, financial, and all advisor.
You're getting way too close to the camera.
Get close to the camera. Here's my close up. Oh, too close.
Fucking asshole.
This is Auntie, the little brother.
Hi.
That's Nina.
Oh, what's going on?
She's doing documentary on me.
Oh, cool.
I'm not going to the bathroom.
Good morning, everybody. So I am currently waiting in the checkout or the digital queue for Harry Ween. I got a pre-sale code, thank God, because I didn't get a pre-sale code for the tour. Yeah, so we'll see how this goes. I have no idea how expensive tickets are, because I love when artists like announce things and don't tell people how much money it's going to cost, but you know, we'll see. Tax season's coming up, so another thing for my refund to pay off. And then in the meantime, I'm just going to be reading this play I have to do for class. It's not too long, but happy March. This is March, yay. March. I'm gonna try to vlog a lot more this month. I don't know why my hand is so shaky. I'm gonna try to vlog a lot more this month, to actually have a cohesive March vlog, since my February vlog is like 2 days. So yeah, I'll check in later.
Are you enjoying your margarita? So red. It's focusing on the guy that's behind you. What do you look like? Something for the ladies.
Hey, so I didn't vlog much yesterday when I went to Brooklyn because it was pouring rain, and also like I was kind of I didn't want to film like by myself in places, so then I was like, but I filmed a little bit, so there's a little of that. So there's not gonna be a Brooklyn vlog for this. It'll just, obviously you're watching it in the March vlog. So it's March 7th. I work at 12:30, so I have to leave at 11:30. It's in 45 minutes. I had to run to CVS to grab a couple things, and then I'd have like a breakfast sandwich from Dunkin' Donuts. So I'm gonna do that, and then maybe put something on my face. I don't know. My phone is charging because I passed out yesterday and didn't plug my phone in, so it won't be fully charged when I go to work, but it's okay because I don't use my phone at work, so it's all good. This is just like fun updates from every single day. Nothing really crazy going on, so I will see you guys when I see you guys later. Bye.